I don't know what we're going to do, but I'm going to get my game face on. I knew this was going to be an interesting day because they're arguing about their names. Kelly or Margaret, they're going back and forth. Wait, Kelly. I'm going to say a lot of we not only own this building, but we have no mall lot next door. And we're in a prime location right in the middle of the new development area. I wanted to sell. I will walk away and smile. My family started out in the garage during the Depression. They had they followed the fashion house to get jeans throughout. And then that was when we reached it. And we were oh yes, they had tea bags, they could scale, coffee machines, jukeboxes, food tables, and then they got into the video. So Chris was telling us you guys played everything from the cigarettes to going on the routes. Oh yeah, we go, with my daddy, we kind of talk. I was 15. No kid. Oh yeah. You mentioned us. I told you about us. Mommy and all that. Yeah. Back in the day, you had a family business. The family worked in business. You were a dairy farmer. You had kids building a house. If you were a vending machine route guy, you had kids fixing vending machines. Tell me about this poster right here. What has to do with the food tables? Oh, the sign that says no gambling, and then it's got, that sign on the bottom. That's right, it's a joke. This is a caricature of a guy getting busted for gambling at pool. No gambling, he's getting handed up, he's got a handful of cash on him. It was just a really interesting poster to find in this building because it's representative of a part of their business. Can you see that poster? No. Alright, 25.